Hi Nigel, thanks very much for contacting us. Firstly, my apologies with regards to the late response. I know your dryer is not working at the moment, but I was away traveling and I've only just got back to the workshop, so my apologies for the late response to this. Now, you say you've got a Hotpoint TVM570P. There is also a TVM570S, and you'll understand why this is relevant shortly. Now, you've actually said to me that the front pads have worn away on the drum, and this is what supports the inner drum on the actual front of the machine. The reason this happens is because the belt system on these dryers are a stretch system belt. Now, stretch system belts put a lot of force on the bearings, and they do wear out. I've seen them wear out as little as 4 or 5 years, but if you catch it early, it's a cheap repair. The back bearing for this machine is only £4 or £5 to buy. The front felts are only between £9 or £16, depending if you're buying the genuine or the pattern part. But you've actually said, and I've got a front vent unit out of a different dryer, and I thought I'd explain quickly to you. You've actually said to me that these pads have worn out and actually cut into the plastic, which is now completely damaged the whole front vent system. Now, what you can do, and this is what reason I said to use the model number either S or P, so TVM570S or P stands for 2 color variations of the machine. The components in the machine are exactly the same. Now, I'm going to put a link on the description of this video for you, which will not only have the exploded diagram so you can see all the components and a link to purchase any of the components, but this front venting unit is absolutely ridiculous when it comes to price. Hotpoint are charging in excess of £150 for this plastic unit, and I really would not go ahead and purchase that. But what I would do is use your model number and go on to eBay or Facebook Marketplace or any other shopping channel that sells second-hand equipment, and you will find so many of these dryers complete for as little as £15 to £20, because maybe the heating system has failed or the timer has failed and the person is just selling it cheap because he knows someone else may actually benefit from these parts. I would replace the front seal when doing the job, and also the back seal, as this is what stops the dust getting through into the machine and make it more efficient when it comes to drying. And I would also replace the 4 pads as well and the back bearing. It is worth replacing them with new parts because it will prolong the life of the machine no end. But I hope this helps you with regards fixing your machine, and I will also put all the videos you need on the actual web page for you, and as I said, I'm putting that in the description on this video, and there's videos to show you how to replace the heating system, test the heating system, maintenance on the machine, how to replace the back bearing system, and also the front pads as well. So I hope all this information helps you. I do apologize for the late reply. As I said, I was away traveling, but I'm back in the workshop now over Christmas. And I hope all this information helps you. Have a very good Christmas. And if you need any further help, feel free to contact us at the Contact Us page on the website. Thanks very much indeed.